Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the original Glamlite and Mikayla palette. This is just a beautiful, colorful, fun palette. And today is actually my birthday when I'm filming this. There really aren't any good days in my life anymore, so it's just kind of like another really just frustrating day, but I'm going to try and do what I can to make the best out of it. It's already been extremely just emotional, painful, stressful. Life is just throwing so many curveballs at me, and I don't know which way to dodge, turn, just give in and get hit. I don't know what to do anymore, and it's kind of getting scary. So, I just want to do a fun, bright, colorful look. So, I'm going to start with this shade Iconic, which is this beautiful pink purple shade right here. But yeah, I don't even want to talk about what's going on because sometimes, like, I'm just so overwhelmed that sometimes, like, little things, I mean, they're big things, but I kind of, like, my brain makes them worse than they really are, so I'm just trying to, like, just hope that whatever is meant to be happens. Sorry. I'm trying to not cry. Had to start this video a couple times over because, yeah. Things are just really, really hard for me, and I keep begging and praying, you know, that they'll get better, and things just keep getting worse. So I have no idea what direction my life's gonna go. I have no idea what's gonna happen. I don't know. I had no control over anything. Like, all this stuff is, like, outside stuff that just keeps being thrown at me, and, yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. I wouldn't wish any of this on anyone. I mean, it's too much. It really is. It needs to stop, but it doesn't. It's just like, I'm trying to climb up the mountain and make my life better, and I just keep getting run over with like bulldozers or like big rocks. I don't even know anymore. I have not a clue. Just not a freaking clue. So yeah, that's my life. I mean, maybe this is normal. Like, no one else I know is like getting hit with all this. But, you know. For now, I'm still here, so I guess I'll keep just trying to truck along and make the best out of some really, really, really incredibly hard times. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with, I don't even know. Let's go in with the shade, y'all, this is just my life, Pot 2, which is actually the palette I filmed with yesterday, and it's gorgeous, beautiful, love it, stunning, just a really, really fun palette. More of a fall theme palette in my opinion, because it's got the darker, more jewel tones. So, like, how has everyone else been? Do you guys have any, like, big plans coming up? Are you excited for fall, or are you really sad that summer is gonna be gone? Just, like, how is your life going? Or, like, what do you do when you keep getting hit with obstacles? Like, I mean, you think you're good, you work really, really hard on something, and then something happens, and it's like, I don't know, it just, like, throws everything for a loop, and you don't know what direction to go or what to do. I don't know, just, like, how do you handle that? Like, what do you do in those situations? don't know. There's just been so much going on. And it really, really is hard and has been affecting me. And yeah. Just life, just there's like never a break where it's like, or at least that's how I feel, where everything is like, okay. You know, it's constantly like bam, 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 you know, one thing after the next, and then you're just like, what do I do? Where do I turn? You know, that's just how I feel my life is, and it's just, it's literally killing me. Okay, I'm trying to decide what shade I want to go in with next. Because, I don't know. I always had the hardest time, like, picking shades. Because there's so many that I want to use, but obviously, like, I only have so much lid space left, so I think I'm going to go in with the pink. This is Simping. And these, like, glitter shimmer shades are just phenomenal in these palettes. So pretty. Just so fucking beautiful. And also, spoiler alert, running like a couple hours behind schedule. We're gonna go to lunch with my mom. And yeah, just some stuff happened that my fiance and I needed to talk about, and yeah. So I'm like, feel like I'm like an hour or two, I don't even know. I never know what time it is. I'm just like, oh, so stressed and overwhelmed. And okay, so I'm only like maybe like an hour behind schedule, so it's not as bad as I thought it was. But yeah, like our weekends are just like, oh shit, something's dying. I don't know if it's my camera battery or what. Of course. Yeah. Okay, I need to figure out what's dying, and I'll be right back. Okay, so, oh god, y'all, your girl needs a fucking break. So I was trying to film, and then something started dying, but I wasn't sure if it was the monitor or the camera, but it turns out it was the camera, so I got that changed. So hopefully we'll be good. I'm almost done with this look. I changed out my battery. My hair is sticking to my face. Life is good. So, for the lower lash line, and I totally, yeah, let's just do a little blendy here, because I kind of got this a little too far. Then let's try and blend this a little bit. A little more. Alright, it's better. Looking better. And I love how, like, I don't like purple, but everything I do ends up like purple. I don't understand. Okay, so to put some different color in it, I want to go in with the shade Freetown, which is like a really pretty teal color. And that's going to go on the lower lash line. To add that really pretty, like, teal pop color. So, side note, I do have a TikTok, and I've been wanting to film on it, but I can never make my videos, like, short enough, so I'm trying to, and I don't have time to film multiple videos, so I'm just trying to figure out how to make that all work, because I still want to be able to post consistently to my YouTube, and I want to be able to post to my TikTok as well, but I don't ever have any other time to film other than when I'm filming these longer form videos. So I'm like, I have no idea what to do with that, but on TikTok, it's Outraging Grace as well, like it is on Instagram, and I also have a Facebook page as well where I just like post, try to do my daily looks. Sometimes I don't get that far because I really don't have much time during the week, but I also post like when I show, when my new videos go up as well. So for that lower highlight, I'm going to go in with the shade Nas. And then this look should be almost done. I will just need to do my mascara. And then I could maybe be on my way and make it to lunch with my mom. I don't know what it is. Like, it's just like weekends when they're supposed to be relaxing, that's when all this stuff like happens, and it's like I get so many things thrown at me, and it's like I need to relax, but I can't, because like on work days I can't do anything, because by the time I get home I'm pretty much gone from like 6:30ish in the morning until almost 4:30 at night on work days. And so it's like by the time I get home and take care of dogs, do all the things I need to do, there's not time for me to do anything else. So I'm just really struggling with trying to figure out how to do all the things that I need to do when there's just not much time. So I gotta go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and this is the final look. Y'all can see. I love that pop of teal that I added to the lower lash line, and that pink shimmer mixed with the purple. Just gorgeous. So again, this was the Mikayla Glamlite, the first palette. Here's what the inside looks like. I just absolutely love these Mikayla Glamlite palettes. I think I'm gonna have to pick up some more Glamlite palettes in the future because the formula is gorgeous. Love the look that I came up with. Thank y'all so much for sticking through all this with me. I know I've kind of been going through it, so I'm sorry sometimes I'm a little down, but this is kind of just something that is therapeutic for me, keeps me going, and makeup probably saved my life, to be completely honest, makeup and photography. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that you're doing well wherever you are. Just if you're going through a hard time, like, please don't give up. I've been there. I've wanted to so many times lately. But just keep going. Hopefully things will get better. And just know that you are loved, you matter, and just stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.